Hi, so today I'm going to be changing the tie rod end at the end of my relay rod. Now the relay rod runs from your steering box down to the front of your wheel. It controls all of your steering. So this universal joint here, this rod here is flogged out. I've noticed some movement in it, so I'm going to be replacing that. What I've done is I've parked the car so the wheels are facing nice and straight, chopped it up so that it is safe to work under. I want the wheels keeping nice and straight so that I can wind it back up to this same spot. So first I'm going to remove the split pin, then I'm going to undo the nut on the bottom. Now it's very handy if you have one of these. It's a tie rod end remover. It's a great device, works really well. If you don't, you can use a hammer and bump on each side of the bracket here. Don't bang directly on the threads, or you can, but it's not real good. Get one of these, they're not really expensive on eBay. What it does is it works by pushing up on the bolt on the bottom there. Means you don't burr threads over and anything like that, and it'll just pop off. Using one of these, there's no way you're going to bang knuckles. Now I'm going to move back because they do go pop, and it may pop out and get me on the head. Now that's getting quite tight. I'm going to give it a tap, and there it goes. So hopefully we can flex that down to there. Now this is where you don't want your wheels moving, because you want this in the same place. So I'm going to undo this bolt here now, which locks that tie rod end in. Now I shouldn't need to take that right off. That should just screw out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the threads running up to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 threads are visible. So now when I screw my new one in, I've just got to remember 8. And everything should fit together nicely. And there we are, that's out. So we'll get the new one. I can feel movement in there. We want to get rid of that because play in your steering is not a good thing. So let's open the box. So this one comes with a nylock nut and not a split pin. As you can see, nylock nut, and this one's non-greasable. It's a one fit, leave it as it is. The other one that was in there was greasable. I don't know if that helped lead to it getting some muck in it and it breaking down. And that should be getting close. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we've still got more threads to go in. One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should be about right. So we'll just check that. We go one more. So the reason I've gone one more is that one thread was right on the edge. So to get my 8, that should line it up now. Now you can use this to adjust where your steering wheel sits as well. So we'll tighten this bolt here back up now. And what we do is we screw that one on the bottom up. And that's now pulled the ball joint down in nice and tight. Locked it up, everything's good guys. If you like my video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos on YouTube and get out there and have fun 4-wheel driving guys.